Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto down in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU188. This is a 2010 Ford Focus. It's got 138,154 on the 2.0 engine. This one came to us with a front end collision. Unfortunately, I'm unable to get the engine started, which is probably for a good thing. This is going to be something we're going to test in the bay. As you can see here, well, we'll start with the very beginning. So, front end collision right now. This one was also involved in a front end collision before. These headlights are both aftermarket, the bumper's aftermarket, so this is not the first time this front end has been crashed up. It makes me wonder if the extent of the damage is caused because of maybe some install issues. As you can see, this motor bracket right here is just straight broken, and also we got some Taco Bell in here. But we're gonna have to get this in the bay. We're gonna do a little bit more of a test, pick it up actually off the cradle so it can start and run by itself before we go ahead and say this is good and sell it to anybody. So can't do an engine test, can't do a trans test, but we'll do some components on the inside, show you down the body of it also. So got the aluminum wheel package, some decent looking tires on it. I mean, as far as the body goes, everything looks pretty darn good from doors back, but yeah, just doors up is just not looking good at all. So we'll go ahead, we'll hop on in, show you a couple things while we got the jump box hooked up, and keep on rolling from there. So it did blow the bags, which is always good when you see that. That means all the safety devices are still working. So we'll hop on in here, we'll do the window test first, which this one does have some filming on it. I think it was like a tinted car. As you can see in the back, they're really dark tint, and somebody took that stuff off of there. Go ahead and check out this one. So that all works just fine. We'll pop over here to the mirror. Let me put this mirror. Sorry about the noise, but so you can see this mirror working. I'm gonna hop over on this side here. So look, all that works too. All right, we'll go ahead. We'll got the radio already playing. We got the big Bible channel, which is like the only AM station I think I've ever heard. But we'll go ahead and switch it over to the FM. So it looks like all that works. CD, eject, see there ain't disc, no disc in there. All right, here AC control. So let's see. Whoa. So rear defroster's not coming on. I'm not sure if it's something you have to have the car running for, but everything else seems to be working just fine. So I'm gonna say that this also works just fine. So yeah, we got all that. No sunroof in this particular vehicle. Let's see. So that's about all I could really show you. I don't see anything else really to test. Seats are just manual seats. So we're good to go from there. Again, this is UU188. This is my 2010 Ford Focus. It's got 138,154 on the mileage. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto. We'd be happy to help you on out. And look for the run test of this engine. That'll be on the YouTube video once we get it in the bay. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day and God bless.